Hi, I'm here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and I want to tell you about a free workshop I have coming up. It is on October 24th. It will be at 1 o'clock in the afternoon Mountain Time. So if you're on the East Coast, that means it's at 11, and if you're on the West Coast, that means it's 2 o'clock. I want you to save your spot. It is free, but you do need to save your spot. And in that workshop, I'm going to teach you how to confidently pull from your scraps and stash to create quilts that you'll love. We will talk about color and how to combine color and prints so that we can create quilts that we love. We'll talk about how color goes together, ways to combine it. If you worry or struggle with how to put color together, if it stresses you out and so you just don't do it and your scraps pile up, this workshop is for you. Then we'll also talk about value. Value is the lightness or darkness of a color. And we will talk about how to blend. We will talk about contrast creates pop and interest and how you can draw that attention where you want it in your quilts. So I hope you'll join me. I will put a link in the description down below that you can go to and save your spot. And then I'll see you on the 24th. It's going to be so much fun. And you will just get the tools that you need, simple hacks and ways to make it easy to combine your scraps and stash and just have so much fun and enjoy playing with your scraps, which are my favorite toy. And I want to show them how they can be your favorite toy as well to make amazing quilts. I'll see you on the 24th. Thanks. Bye-bye.